My name is Chris Santapadre. I started the program about 5 months ago. I was 268 pounds when I started, and this morning I was 179, so that's 89 pounds down in a little over 5 months. So I would gain 5 pounds a year, and then 10 years later I'm 50 pounds overweight, and exacerbate that by even longer than 10 years, and all of a sudden I'm really overweight. I was an athlete in high school and played some junior college athletics, and then I coached for many years. I just would consume food at odd times, and wasn't drinking water, was drinking alcohol and soda and coffee, like it was my IV. Just years and years and years, clothes stopped fitting. I had to keep expanding and buying new clothes, and my wife wasn't as happy as she used to be when we were first married, and finally came to the realization that I needed to make some serious changes. I also am a school teacher, and so last June I decided to quit drinking alcohol, coffee, soda, cold turkey. And I did not step on a scale for about 6 weeks, and when I did, I had not lost a single pound, so that was a trigger that clearly I'm not eating correctly. And my wife had a friend of a friend that did this program, and so she suggested I do this, and I went and met with Dr. Tomlin and had a great first visit, and the rest is history. Basically, going into the program, the doctors lay it out, and they tell you you're going to be on a very low calorie diet, and you need to make changes. Not only health wise, but the rate I was consuming was not safe either. And so going into it, I was really fearful that these shakes and the soups and the puddings were going to taste pasty, or they were going to taste vegetably, or something that wasn't going to taste good. I really thought I was going to be irritated throughout the program, and surprisingly everything I seemed to try was very good and delicious. And I was able to, because I teach, I was able to space out when I do have my packets, my prescriptions, if that's what you want to call them. And all of a sudden, after about 2 weeks, I was in a rhythm, and I felt really good. My energy started to pick up. The weight was shedding off rapidly, which is kind of nice when you're stepping on the scale and it's, every day is a success. I know that doesn't happen for everybody, but in my instance, I was looking forward to getting up in the morning rather than sleeping in. The Zoom classes and the check-ins with the doctors, I wasn't quite sure what to expect with those. Some of the information seemed repetitive, but when you start listening and interacting with the other folks into the group, you start to pick up some things you might have missed. Like I didn't realize very early that there was a digital library with ways to concoct your packets into actual substance. I was tired of consuming liquids, and now I can make pancakes, and I can make a bread, and I can make some crackers, and that turned out to be a game changer. And I would not have delved into that had I not been an active participant in the Zoom classes and paying attention. The medical monitoring with the doctor and the lab work, turns out I was really unhealthy because I was overweight, and watching those levels drop every few weeks off of the blood work was another success, other than just the weight loss, because now I know the inside of me is much more healthy, and outside is looking a lot better as well. I think the biggest factor in helping me with the weight loss is all the weight losses that I tried on my own, or I would Google how to lose weight, and you come up to a website, and it's the consume juice for 21 straight days, and I tried that one. I've tried some others where I'm kind of self-prescribing myself on what I need to do, and I'm only going to eat one large meal a day, and I'm not going to eat between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. and that type of stuff. And clearly that didn't work. What I think helped guide me was the structure of the program, and having a doctor tell you this is what you need to be doing, and if you follow it, it'll work. And I followed that program to a T. I did my water. I didn't cheat. Sometimes I wanted to, but I didn't. And having, medical follow-ups with your doctor every few weeks, having blood work, ensuring that I'm healthy and safe and not doing something to cause harm to the inside of my body that I can't see was helpful. Using the app and utilizing the app and recording all of my, what I'm consuming, when I'm consuming it, and stepping on that scale every day and seeing, my water levels and my BMI printouts and all of that stuff, you start to notice this pattern. And it's, like I said, the structure is something that I need to help guide me through that. After about a week, you feel way better and healthy about yourself, and you can feel your body adapting. A lot of my friends are inquisitive about this, and so I steer them in the right direction, and I passed on the website to multiple people and phone numbers to multiple people, and I said, just go meet with the doctor, do the initial meet, and if you don't like it, don't feel comfortable with it, don't. But it's for me, like I said, I like the structure. I like having a doctor oversee what I'm doing rather than me trying to self-medicate myself or self-prescribe myself to weight loss. And that seems to be what's worked for me. Well, now that I've lost weight, ironically, I threw out all of my clothes about 2 years ago that used to fit me. So I get to go back and shop and fit back into clothes that I haven't worn for many years, and sizes. So that's good. My wedding ring was falling off, so I had to go get a new wedding ring. I'm noticing as I'm reintroducing food back in that things actually taste better than they used to. Chris Santapadre, I started my very first meeting with Dr. Tomlin was 268 pounds, and this morning I was 179. So if my math's correct, that's 89 pounds down in about a little more than 5 months. So I stick to the program, do what the doctors prescribe. It works. And ask questions to your providers. There's a great support team here to help you through it.